Hi, I'm Young. So long time no see, but I'm back with some technology news, and I must say September looks to be more promising than August. So August I took some time off from making YouTube videos. However, in September I'm totally back. So happy 1st of September to you guys, or is it going to be 2nd of September by the time I upload this video? But we have some new technology news, especially from DJI. So I'm just going to open up and you can see, yes, this is Galaxy Z Fold 3. But I must say we've actually ordered Z Flip 3, not Fold but Flip, because Flip is just so pretty. But now the waiting time is about 4 weeks, which is really long in all the range. It seems like Fold, Flip and also Watch, they are all sold out here. But today let's talk about DJI. So by now on all social media of DJI, they've now made a big announcement that they will be announcing a new product on 8th of September. And the slogan is going to be high five. But by the look of the poster, I have absolutely no idea. It's just like an ice cube and there's like the sort of phasey 5, but from Twitter, UzitaLV, as well as Drone DJ, where they've already shared what this new product is going to be, and it seems like it's going to be OM5, the Osmo Mobile, but now they no longer call it Osmo Mobile, but OM5 for mobile phone gimbal. It sure looks the most sleek out of all the OM that we have seen so far. It folds neatly, very compactly, there's no gap in between, and also it seems like the magnetic feature is still intact in this OM5 because we don't see the mobile phone holder here. And the extra special thing about this device is how it can be extended, giving you the extra arm, extra length for the perfect selfie. So already the sticker that has already been registered with FCC, it's already on their database. We can see that it's gonna be called DJI OM5, and we already know that OM series is the smartphone gimbal series of DJI. So with the new release of OM5, there is gonna be a heated competition on the mobile gimbal market. You guys know I already really enjoyed using Zhiyun Smooth Q3 as well as OM iSteady V2. Which all had, great functionality, all these selfie lights as well. In the case of Zhiyun Smooth Q3, it was swiveling around back and forth. And also for OM iSteady V2, I've been really enjoying the AI function where it recognizes a gesture without using the internal OM app. So all those were excellent competitors to OM series of DJI. However, we all know that DJI is a premium brand. They do build a great product. So I can't wait to see what kind of competition they bring into this already heavily competitive market. And another thing that we must know is that OM4 is already shipping at a discounted price of $129 from the original price of $149. So we are already seeing discounts, so OM5 most likely next week. So just to remind you guys, it's going to be on 8th of September, 9 AM EDT. So stay tuned. I think it's just going to be, those online YouTube release where all the big YouTubers would already have OM5. However, I would not. So yep, you guys are gonna enjoy seeing tons of review videos on other YouTubers. However, I will come back with some other technology reviews such as Samsung Galaxy Z series, as well as really testing the latest camera from Sony. So do stay tuned, please subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and see you!